All right, for a quick example, so I tested all my coils already. I just wanted to see if they were all good. Just kind of get an ohms reading. It's really simple. You just take your leads and kind of just touch the two prongs in there and you get a reading. Now all of them are generally in the same, so I'm not really looking for a measurement because they were all generally in the same. And if I had a misfire on my coils, I definitely had something that was super erratic. However, what I did find on one of my cylinders is basically you take the positive side, you touch the back of your spark plug like this, take the other side and you touch inside it here, and you see how nothing is happening, right? Like almost nothing at all, really. Nothing is happening, right? That's usually a problem. And I'll show you, I put this one right here and I pick up another one, literally the next cylinder over. I do the same thing, touch it here, I just hold it, and then I touch it here. There it is. And then there goes your reading, right? I was not getting any reading for any other vehicle at all. So, excuse me, for the spark plug. And I think I kind of know why. So on here, you'll see like a little, I noticed that you can like twist these like off, which I never knew because I've never seen anyone do it, but I twisted it off and it could be a problem, which I'm about to test right now. I just realized that, so I'm gonna try it and see if it changes anything. And no, it doesn't change anything. So definitely this plug is a problem. I already ordered new ones. I was gonna do it anyway, and definitely is an issue. And like I said, bad plug. I go to the third cylinder. I do the same exact treatment, right? Like go to it, I put the positive here. Sorry, positive here. And I just slide in between, and there you go. And that's your reading, right? And you can write all these down, and you can kind of see if you're having a misfire on, any of your cylinders. If you ever have if you're chasing it and you're pulling your plugs out, yes, most people like, I'm just gonna throw plugs in it. I literally just threw plugs in a vehicle and I tested them right out of the box, and I found 5 out of the 8 bad. When I say bad, I mean they were so out of spec, it was unreal. So if I would have threw them in, I never would have got rid of my misfire. Definitely might have worked for a little bit and then have an issue. So that definitely was a problem. So long story short, hope that helped everybody. Yeah, it's a little quick segment, but yeah, so if you're running a turbo setup and you're running wood spark plugs, a lot of people use NGK TR6s. I don't like them because the electrode protrudes too far out into the cylinder. And I had one literally tap my valve on my old setup, and I just never went back. I got with a company called Brisk. Here they are right here. And this part number is going to be GR14S's, which is a pretty much a resemblance of a TR6 plug. I'm actually going to a 12S, which is a colder plug for the car, so I'm definitely ready for that. So hopefully this helped, and yeah, enjoy.